Hello, welcome to my channel. The Bentley Continental GT Speed 2025 is a high-performance luxury grand tourer that offers a unique blend of breathtaking power, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Iconic Bentley design. The Continental GT Speed retains the iconic Bentley design language with its elegant lines, muscular stance, and distinctive matrix grille. Bentley Continental GT Speed 2025 Exterior. Sporty Enhancements. The Speed version adds sporty enhancements such as unique front and rear fascias, sculpted side skirts, and exclusive wheel designs. Interior. Luxurious and handcrafted cabin. The interior is a testament to Bentley's commitment to luxury, featuring handcrafted leather upholstery, exquisite wood veneers, and meticulous attention to detail. Bentley Continental GT Speed 2025 Interior. Advanced technology. It's equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a range of advanced driver assistance features. Engine. Powerful V8 engine. The Continental GT Speed is now powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 771 horsepower and 738 pounds-ft of torque. Hybrid power. This new hybrid powertrain offers both incredible performance and improved efficiency. Backlights. Sleek LED taillights. The Continental GT Speed features sleek LED taillights that complement its elegant design and provide excellent visibility. Performance. Blistering acceleration. The Continental GT Speed offers blistering acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Exceptional handling. It boasts exceptional handling and precise steering, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. Price. Starting price. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed has a starting price of around $305,250. Options and packages. The price can increase significantly depending on the chosen options and packages. Functions. Advanced driver assistance systems. The Continental GT Speed comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Luxury and comfort features. It offers a range of luxury and comfort features, including heated and ventilated seats, massage functions, a premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Overall, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed is a true grand tourer that offers a compelling combination of breathtaking performance, exquisite luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It's a great choice for those who want a vehicle that can deliver both thrilling performance and unparalleled comfort.